Good morning everyone, this is Gangadhar. This is very happy to meet all of you through this video on this pleasant morning. This is very great opportunity to everyone utilize our time on this lockdown time to watching these videos. Today I am going to explain about one of the smallest topic from English grammar. I hope this is very useful to everyone, the making of the sentences and also speaking in English language fluently. So most of the people have fear in English language when they want to form the sentences and also speaking with others. So when we want to learn any language, not only the English, either Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, any language, when we want to learn the language, first of all we should learn the letters of that language. So when we completed learn that language letters, then we should learn some words in that language. So when we completed the second stage of that learning the word, finally we can make the sentences in language. The mostly we are discussing here about language English. So there are 26 letters in English language. I think we know about them. So the English alphabets are called A to Z. There are 26. Among the 26 letters, the 5 letters are called vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. So the remaining 21 letters are called consonants. The 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are called consonants. So when we completed that learning the letters, then we can learn some words. So when we completed learn the word, then we can make sentences. Now my topic is how to make sentences. So before that, we should discuss about the interesting topic, that is kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. Broadly, there are 4 kinds of sentences in English grammar. The first sentence are called assertive sentence. Second one are called interrogative sentence. Third one are called imperative sentence. Fourth one were called exclamatory sentence. So again I am repeating here, there are 4 kinds of sentences in English grammar. The first one is assertive sentence, second one is interrogative sentence, third one is imperative sentence, and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So in this introduction class, we are knowing about assertive sentence. What are the assertive sentences? So there are 2 kinds of such sentences in assertive sentences. The first one are called positive sentence. The second one are called negative sentence. The positive sentence will give the positive meaning. The negative sentence will give negative meaning. So in these positive sentences, we cannot find any negative meaningful words. But in the negative sentences, we can usually use no, not, nobody, neither, seldom, rarely. These kinds of words will be included in negative sentence. So the positive sentence, every sentence has a structure to make the sentence. The positive sentence structure is subject, verb and object. And in negative sentence structure is subject, not, verb, object. So positive sentence will give positive meaning and a negative sentence will give negative meaning. These 2 sentences are called assertive sentence in English grammar. So I will give some examples in assertive sentence. For suppose I am teaching. I am teaching. So the sentence will give you a positive meaning. Then this sentence will call you a positive sentence. Though this is belong to the assertive sentence. So I want to give another example here. I am not teaching. Here given the word not when the word will be included in the sentence not, this is called a negative formations. So this is the negative sentence. These negative sentences are also belongs to assertive sentence. So in the assertive sentence, two types of sentences are here: positive sentence and negative sentence. Positive sentence will be give positive meaning and negative sentence will be give negative meaning. Some of the words are including the negative sentences. These are no, not, nobody, neither, seldom, rarely, hardly. Every words will be included in negative sentence. I hope you understand. Maybe in the next times we will be meet and discuss more interesting topics in English grammar. I hope these classes will be more helpful to learn.